I know it's been raining and it's wet out there, but I know that you can't wait to get on the track and field to showcase your talents. Welcome families, teachers, coaches, and athletes to the FMF Child Games National Competition. Today we gather in the spirit of competition and to celebrate all those who have supported the Fiji Primary School Association Athletics for the last 25 years, particularly our partner, Flour Mills Fiji Limited. We can put our hands together for Flour Mills Fiji Limited, please. And I want us all to put our hands together for the Tongan team who are here. I understand last year there were 16 in numbers, but they've increased to 20 this year. Next year they may bring 100 students across. But as we host athletes, especially from Tonga, it is my pleasure to see many of the coaches who began their careers in athletics during their primary schools here and now training our next generation of athletes and mentors. Both physical education and participation in athletics are critical to the physical and mental development of our young children, and we must make this accessible to them. The Ministry of Education and Sports and the Fiji Primary Schools Athletic Association are committed to providing our children with basic fitness, as well as equipping them with teamwork and critical thinking skills through participation in team sports. I wish all athletes a thrilling 2 days of competition as you make friends, break records, and most importantly, enjoy the experience. It gives me great pleasure to declare the FMF Child Games 2011 officially open. Now we'll